This video I will explain Google Pay architecture. To understand how Google Pay works, you can imagine Google Pay as a system that made of several layers. Each layer has specific job that helps you to make fast, safe and reliable payments. Google Pay does not store your money. Instead, Google Pay connects your phone, bank and UPI system. So money moves smoothly from one bank account to another bank account. Here you can see Google Pay process flow. You enter a payment in the Google Pay app. Then Google Pay sends your request to the UPI system. Then the UPI talks to your bank and checks the balance. UPI then connects to the receiver's bank. Then money moves instantly between both banks. And Google Pay shows the final result on your screen, which is payment successful. Next, we will see what are the different layers involved in this Google Pay architecture. First one is Google Pay app layer. This is the part you see and use on your phone. It includes home screen, send money button, QR code scanner, transaction history, account and settings. This layer help you to enter details, choose people, scan UPI codes and start payments. It is basically the user interface, meaning the screens you tap. Second one is UPA layer. UPA stands for Unified Payments Interface. This layer is controlled by NPCI. NPCI is the organization that manages UPI in India. Whenever you send money using Google Pay, the app sends a request to the UPI system. The UPI system then reads your bank account details, checks if you have enough bank balance, sends a request to the receiver bank, moves money securely within seconds. This UPI layer does the actual job of transferring money, not the Google Pay. Google Pay is only a bridge between you and the UPI. Third one is bank layer. This includes two banks, your bank, which is sender bank, and receiver's bank. These banks handle balance checking, updating account amounts, confirming successful payments, sending back transaction status. Google Pay shows the final result, but the bank completes the actual transfer. Fourth one is security and verification layer. This layer ensures all payments are safe. Security layer checks your UPI PIN, your device authentication, the bank account linked, fake or suspicious activity, secure encryption of data. Encryption means your information is converted into a safe code that hackers cannot read. This layer protects your money every time you pay. Fifth one is notifications and sync layer. These parts tell you what is happening with your payments. It sends payment success messages, failed or pending alerts, money received notifications, and bank updates. It keeps your phone and bank information in sync, meaning both show the same correct transaction details. Sixth one is backend services layer. This layer works in the background. It handles transaction tracking, server communication, error handling, user verification, and merchant payments. You do not see these processes, but they help the app to run smoothly and quickly. Now we will see why this architecture is effective. First point is fast, because UPI handles transactions in seconds. Second point is secure, because of PIN, encryption, and verification layers. Third point is reliable, because banks confirm each step. Fourth point is easy to use, because Google Pay hides all the complexity behind simple screens.